Today, we are looking at a world where working from home seems to be the safest and the best way to survive. Spend some quality time with your family. I guess this is one of the positive points which we got during this pandemic. However, in the last couple of years, many people have lost their jobs and also their means of livelihood. The impact of the pandemic has been quite severe for us, the common people. Instead of going out to apply for new jobs, finding opportunities from home seems to be the best option. In this video, I am going to put forward one such option through which you can earn a decent income throughout your life. If you have the willingness to work hard, then you can do well. There will be no limit to your incomes. The process is called hydroponics farming. I will try to explain to you the process along with the pros and cons related to it, with the cost involved. What is hydroponics farming? Hydroponics farming is the new technology being used for agricultural purpose. This technology is basically used to grow crops indoors and without the use of soils. The space requirement is quite low in comparison with the traditional way of farming. The soil in this technology is replaced by nutrients-rich water, which can be managed by mixing solutions with water by the farmer. Why choose hydroponic farming? Well, there are several advantages of using hydroponic farming. Firstly, it can grow indoors with controlled environmental factors, thus helping the crops to grow at a better pace. Secondly, you just need to control and monitor the nutrient level being mixed in the water. The nutrients help in healthier and faster growth of the plants. Thirdly, the technology eliminates the risks of diseases which are normally being acquired from soil, as there is no involvement of soil in the farming method, thus resulting in healthier plantation. Since the nutrients are being directly provided through the water solution, the crops tend to grow at a 30 to 50% faster than in soil. Also, this technology requires less space in comparison to growing crops in soil. The roots of plants in such technology need not travel distances in search of water. So, there is the provision of planting the crops rather closely. Apart from the positive points mentioned above, this technology also helps in bigger production, as the requirement of space is quite less. Well, these are few of the advantageous features of hydroponics farming and are quite the game changer. Now, let us see what are the basic requirements of hydroponics farming. Fresh water around pH 6 to 6.5 level. Just like human beings, oxygen is also one of the primary requirements in such farmings. It can be easily managed with an air pump. Coconut fiber, peat moss, or rock wool for support of the plants. Nutrient mixture consisting of magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and nitrogen is another requirement. If you are using indoors for growing plants, then sufficient lighting systems are required. Well, these are the basic requirements of hydroponics farming and are easily available in the market. Now, let us look at the most important question related to hydroponics farming. Is it profitable? As per experts and data available, hydroponics farming is quite profitable if you use the process and the technology in a correct manner. Also, you need to analyze the market in which plantation you want to deal with first, along with your production estimation and cost involved. Also, you need to choose which type of hydroponic system you would like to install. It is true that there are many advantageous features of this method. However, there are some disadvantages and I would like to put forward those as well. Firstly, the setup cost for such technology is quite high. Since this technology depends upon water, hence it is quite attracted to waterborne diseases. Also, the mixture of nutrients should be done as per recommended doses. Otherwise, it might hamper with the taste of the plantation. Hence, supervision of such farming is required more than others. Power outages, system malfunctions, and mistakes affect the plants faster than normal farming. The water being used should be good. Well, these are some of the disadvantages of hydroponics farming. As per experts, the crops grown using such technology are considered healthier as they get the nutrients directly from the water. If you have enough space at your home or have an empty land, you might try the hydroponics farming after analyzing the market and the costs involved. It could be one of the ways which will help in reducing unemployment and to be your own boss and grow your business. However, the decision regarding the hydroponics farming rests in your hand. The future of the job sector does look grim, along with rise in the number of candidates every year for a particular post. It's the age of the wise people. Choose wisely, work smart, work hard, and face and survive the upcoming crisis. This is MSR Foundation signing off for now. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel for more informative and awareness videos. Thank you.